Hi, welcome to the story Penelope the Painted Lady Butterfly. Hi, my name's Penelope and I'm a painted lady butterfly. I wasn't always this way. I had to do a lot of work before I got my wings. Let me tell you about my journey. This is a life cycle of a butterfly. We start as eggs, then we go to caterpillars, and then we go into a chrysalis, and then we turn into a butterfly. So let's break down the steps of my journey. My life began as a tiny egg laid on a leaf by my mom. All butterflies can be different shapes and colors depending on the butterfly type. Once I hatch, I come out as a caterpillar, also known as a larva. When I hatch, I will be about the size of a grain of rice when I hatch from the egg. As a caterpillar, I spend a lot of time eating leaves to grow bigger and stronger. I eat a lot of different types of leaves. As I get bigger, I outgrow my skin and need to shed it. This is a process known as molting. After I grow enough, I find a safe space to form a chrysalis or a pupa. This During this stage, I wrap myself in a special shell, and this is where I'll stay until I become a butterfly. Inside the chrysalis, a wonderful transformation happens where I turn my caterpillar body and turn it into a butterfly body, which takes approximately 14 days. Finally, when the chrysalis opens, I get to emerge out of my chrysalis. My wings are wet when I emerge, so I have to dry and stretch them out before I can fly. Now that I'm a butterfly, I like to eat different things now. I like sweet nectar from colorful flowers like asters or zinnias, and we also use our long tongues to sip sweet nectar from flowers, which gives us the energy to fly and explore. Now that I'm a butterfly, I have to be extra aware of my surroundings and predators, like birds, spiders, even lizards. Luckily, our wings are not just for flying, but our bright orange color and pattern help make predators stay away from us. Sometimes, when the conditions are right, huge groups of butterflies migrate so that they can go to better environments. But when environments, pesticides, and others work against the butterflies, populations decrease. To help us to be able to get our population numbers up, humans need to do a couple things. Stop destroying our environments and habitats. We need plentiful leaves and flowers for both stages of our life. We also need humans to stop using pesticides that harm us. Okay, that's all. Thanks for learning about me and all the other painted lady butterflies.